I've been a Wild Rover for many's the year, and I spent all me money in whiskey and beer. But now I'm returning with gold in great store, and I'll play the Wild Rover, no, never, no more. No, nay, no, nay, never. No, no, nay, never, no more. Will I play the Wild Rover? No, never, no more. I went into an alehouse I used to frequent, and I told the landlady me money was spent. I asked her for credit, she answered me nay. With customers yours I can have any day. Then I took from me pocket 10 sovereigns bright, and the landlady's eyes opened wide with delight. We have a good whiskies and the wines of the best, and the words that you told me were only in jest. No, nay, no, nay, never. No, no, nay, never, no more. Will I play the Wild Rover? No, never, no more. Well, friends, good morning from Seville, southwest Spain, Hispalis, following the Roman name. Well, the rain comes. Fortunately, finally, the rain is very necessary here in the south because we are suffering dry times too long. Well, and yesterday evening and night, I am driving. I was listening Irish pop songs or Irish songs in the charm of the Irish pubs at Dublin, while I listened the fields of Athenry in the afters of the funeral of Pete St. John, singing Paddy Riley and a group I like so much, but I cannot remember the name exactly now. Well, yesterday I listened a lot of clips, the rare old times, very, very beautiful and pretty Irish songs. Good morning.